Shake Sound Entertainment, Real Sound Systems.
Surviving a breakup is difficult because your imagined future disappears and you find yourself suddenly on a precipice. All of the dreams, all of the fantasies that you had with the other person now have to be undone, and you have to recognise that that reality that you constructed together will not be lived.
Why not chongo? Uthando luphelile. Why not chongo? Why not chongo? Bana awusithandi. Why not chongo? Why not chongo? Uthando luphelile. Why not chongo? Why not chongo? Bana awusithandi. Why not chongo? Yeah, I can't lie, phuthulukile njengesephe ezandleni. Uthando loba hedena nathixo liphele emoyeni. Nawungikhethamile ndilone isandla sehleleni, reminiscing about good old days sesithi sobabini. Before inxushunxushu ne-fight, before uthuku se-right. Kodwa ke what did expect with chicken ethombe singabafana. I'm fucked over, ngikhale ngomeni ngami ku-game over. What's funny, we-main chiki kuwe ndiyisayidnika. Uxoxa ukhola kamnandi, unencasa ndikubhiliva amazwe sephene. Amyoli, ayibethe ingqondo inxile. You used me, mandiqhwabela izandla ntombi ugqwesile. You killed me, ngaphakathi I'm surprised sabethe inhliziyo. Yazi ungcolile, bendikuxelela kwanto ivini isikrisi. You're so special to me, but londo kuwe bingathethi nix. You fucked the nigga, I'm sure ibimnandi unqenqe ngumqolo screamer. Shine bright now, but you'll miss me xa isibane sidima. Why not chongo? Uthando luphelile. Why not chongo? Why not chongo? Bana awusithandi. Why not chongo? Why not chongo? Uthando luphelile. Why not chongo? Why not chongo? Bana awusithandi. Why not chongo? Yazi ngiphoxile enyanisweni undansile. Dala kuthiwa igirl sinzulu lo fact undibonisile. I thought unguye the one benza mnxibisa iringi, but now ikamva limfiliba ndikhuphile kweyami picture. Msela ivodvo kwamanzi, yes undiphendula inxiba. Can you see sadness in my eyes, ne-stress kunzima, depression is real. Bensapholwa ichukumisa ijika, yazi yadika. Ngendakubona iproblem usafika, njengegorilla. Ngawube ndizibomba isifuba ndiphika. Kuthiwa ulunganga uboniwe ndingavumi ndingqisha. Kanti ndithethelela ijita isifebe ihowu nondingo. Wayishiya inhliziyo ithenkebe inhlekenhleke kusiko. Ndisakhala kubuhlungu andibona ireason lonto uyayifila. I feel like shit, iphindamo ngaske ndisibone njinga. You should have told me udikiwe ngendakukhulula wafaya, but wakhetha undenza isibhangi wami